Hi, thanks for being here to watch this video. Peace, peace, peace. We all want peace in our life, society, country, even in the world. As we all know that on coming 21st, we are going to celebrate World Peace Day. On that day, I'm going to bring one of my special videos and I want you to share your love and support. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check my bio and subscribe my channel. And if you're watching this video on Facebook or Twitter, you can find the link in description. In that video, I'll share my thoughts about Kashmir or some interesting things as well. So make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. And also watch rest of my videos in Urdu English. Thanks for taking time to watch this video.